Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about migration. Many mammals, birds, fishes, insects, and other animals move from one place to another at certain times of the year. This movement is called migration. Migration is a part of the life cycle of these animals. Animals migrate for different reasons. Many migrate to breed or to find food. Some animals migrate to places where they can hibernate or rest for the winter. Others migrate because of the weather is too hot, too cold, too wet, or too dry during certain times of the year. Most migrations are seasonal, meaning they happen every year at certain times. The journeys animals take can be extremely long. Migrations aren't always controlled by the seasons. Some animals migrate on a nomadic or unpredictable schedule. Animals can travel a few miles or several thousand miles. Frogs go short distances to ponds to breed. The Arctic tern spends the summer in the Arctic and the winter in Antarctica. The Arctic tern makes the longest migration of any animal in the world. This journey covers about 11,000 miles. The average Arctic tern will travel the equivalent of going around the Earth 60 times in their lifetime. Locusts follow one-way or removal migrations. They move from place to place until the food supply runs out, rarely hitting the same place twice. Migrations can take place either during the day or at night. Birds such as geese migrate during the day. Sparrows, warblers, and thrushes travel by night. Animals use all kinds of guides to know how to get where they're going. Wind patterns, currents of the water, and even geographic landmarks. Some use more specialized methods. Certain migratory birds have tiny particles of the magnetic mineral magnetite in their brains. It's thought that these particles allow the birds to use Earth's magnetic field to find their way. Different signals, such as a change in the weather, the length of the days, or the availability of food, may signal the animals that it is time to move. As to how they know which direction to go, scientists are unsure. Many think that animals know where to migrate to when they are born. Scientists say they learn this genetically from their parents. It is also called instinct. Many animals prepare for migration by storing up energy reserves and even exercising certain muscles so they will be strong enough to make the trip. The annual migration of North America's monarch butterfly is a unique and amazing phenomenon. The monarch is the only butterfly known to make a two-way migration as birds do. Some fly as far as 3,000 miles to reach their winter home. Monarchs in eastern North America have a second home in the Sierra Madre Mountains of Mexico. Monarchs in western North America overwinter in California. Wildebeest migrate on a loop path through Tanzania and Kenya following the seasonal rains. More than 1.5 million wildebeest migrate in an enormous loop every year. The annual migration northwest at the end of the rainy season, usually in May or June, is recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. By the way, humans have a history of migration too. It's thought that our species originated in Africa and migrated over thousands of years to populate the rest of the earth. Thanks for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous